Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 15 incredible weight loss hacks that are actually backed by science. No fad diets or crazy restrictions. These are practical tips you can start using right now to boost your results. Let's get started. Hack number 1. The power of protein first. You've probably heard about protein being important, but here's the game-changing hack. Eat your protein first at every meal. Studies show this simple switch can reduce your overall calorie intake by up to 20%. Why? Protein keeps you fuller longer and actually requires more energy to digest. Quick tip. Start your meals with eggs, lean meat, or Greek yogurt before moving on to other foods. Hack number 2. Strategic sleep timing. Here's something most people don't know. Going to bed at the same time each night can boost your metabolism. When your circadian rhythm is stable, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat. The sweet spot? Try to hit the hay between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Hack number 3. The 20-minute rule. Before going for seconds, wait 20 minutes. That's how long it takes for your brain to register fullness. Keep yourself busy during this time. Maybe clean up the kitchen or take a short walk. Hack number 4. Temperature tricks. This is fascinating. Keeping your home slightly cooler, around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, can activate brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat. Plus, drinking cold water before meals can boost your metabolism for up to 40 minutes. Bonus tip. Start your day with a glass of cold water to jumpstart your metabolism. Hack number 5. The fiber-fat combo. Here's a powerful duo. Combine fiber-rich foods with healthy fats at every meal. Think avocado on whole grain toast or chia seeds in your smoothie. This combination slows digestion and keeps blood sugar stable, preventing those energy crashes that lead to snacking. Hack number 6. Strategic snacking. Place healthy snacks at eye level in your fridge and pantry. Our brains are naturally drawn to what we see first. Hide less healthy options in opaque containers at the back. Hack number 7. The 10-minute movement rule. For every 2 hours of sitting, move for 10 minutes. This isn't about intense exercise. Simple walking or stretching is enough. These mini movement sessions can burn an extra 400 calories per day. Hack number 8. Plate psychology. Use smaller blue plates. Studies show we eat 22% less from smaller plates, and blue naturally suppresses appetite. Also, try eating from plates with a high color contrast to your food. You'll serve yourself less. Hack number 9. The vinegar trick. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to water before meals. Research shows this can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Plus, it may help reduce cravings. Remember, always dilute vinegar with water. Hack number 10. Mindful eating technology. Use your smartphone's camera before eating. Taking a picture of your meal makes you more conscious of portion sizes and food choices. Create a visual food diary. You'll think twice about those impulse snacks. Hack number 11. The spice boost. Add cayenne pepper, ginger, or cinnamon to your meals. These spices can increase metabolism and reduce inflammation. Just a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Hack number 12. Time-restricted eating. Instead of focusing on what you eat, try focusing on when you eat. Limit your eating window to 8 to 10 hours per day. This naturally reduces calorie intake and helps your body optimize fat burning. For example, eat between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. only. Hack number 13. The protein-veggie-carb sequence. Structure your plate like this. Fill half with vegetables first, then add lean protein, about a palm-sized portion. Finally, add complex carbs, about a fist-sized portion. This naturally creates portion control without counting calories. Hack number 14. Social strategy. Did you know we tend to mirror the eating habits of those around us? Choose a health-conscious friend to be your regular lunch buddy. Research shows we're more likely to make healthy choices when our eating companions do the same. Hack number 15. The evening reset. End each day with a kitchen reset. Clean all surfaces. Put away food. Prep tomorrow's healthy snacks. Set out your water bottle. This reduces late-night snacking and sets you up for success tomorrow. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about drastic changes. It's about smart, consistent habits. Try implementing just 2 to 3 of these hacks this week, and gradually add more as they become natural. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more science-backed health tips. Drop a comment below telling me which hack you're going to try first. See you in the next one.